Hi everyone, be sure you click into the attendance link and sign in. And let's get going for the December Zoom. I left this slide in to remind everyone that Carrie, the Assistant Superintendent, would like to feature any of our new to profession teachers on the district Facebook account. If your mentee is willing, Carrie will put their picture up with a paragraph highlighting where they teach, why they went into teaching, and an interesting fact about them. I've only had one taker so far. Would love to have more new to profession teachers highlighted on the Facebook page for the district. Let your mentee know about the reading for January, pages 2 through 40. Maybe they'll want to do it over the winter break. After the new year, we'll start digging into the pages pertaining to designing lessons for mastery. Yep, it's a short month, and hopefully you'll get a chance to meet with your mentee for the 2 weeks of December. For the week of December 5th, as you all know, things get wonky in December. It is difficult to follow the normal schedule, and there's lots of extra happenings around the school. Consistency in instruction, consistency in procedures routines, consistency in the schedule as much as possible helps the wonkiness. Additionally, it is very common for students to experience procedural drift. Procedural drift is when the students mysteriously forget all the procedures that they've been doing up to this point in the school year. Let your mentee know that it is so common. It's really not them, and they shouldn't be surprised when students forget everything when they come back from winter break. They should be prepared to reteach procedures just like they did at the beginning of the school year. January 3rd is a great opportunity to reset, recalibrate, and set expectations for the second semester. A reminder that the goal is to get 80% of students to follow procedures. It's unrealistic to expect every single student to follow. There will always be outliers. If your mentee can get 80% of students following procedures, then they're freed up to attend to the 20% who always need some TLC. A reminder to you about the phases of a first-year teacher's attitude towards teaching. Many new teachers are working lots of hours and need that winter break, which is right around the corner. Good thing. Being in charge of a classroom has many moving parts, and it's exhausting for new to profession teachers who are experiencing a steep learning curve and doing everything for the first time. Don't be surprised if they are down in the dumps. It's normal for this time of year. I imagine all of you can't wait for the break either. Know that there will be a quarterly coaching survey for mentees. Mentors, y'all, will get a survey as well. The mentee survey will be pushed out the week of December 12th, if all goes well, on Monday, December 12th. Your survey will happen during the January 5th Mentor Zoom. Kathy and I didn't plan any talking points for this week other than end of semester expectations. Grades and report cards can be super overwhelming for new to profession teachers. This is a good opportunity to talk about your school's culture for December. Okay, that's all we have for December, as it's a short month and wonky with all the holiday happenings. As always, feel free to reach out. If we don't see or hear from you before December 16th, have a great holiday season.